It's Tech Tuesday on the Broadcast Sony channel, and this is Joanne talking about the 5 free online tools that I like, programming tools that you can find on the internet. The first 3 can help you learn to program, and the last 2 are developers tool. One is to make an app, the other is to make a game. I should say an Android app and a PC game. I don't know the Apple version. It's just a review of the 5. You go ahead and check it out. I'll put the links down in the description, but it'll also be in the video. Enjoy. I hope that helped. I hope it'll get you started in programming, and I have to admit that last one, Unity, I have never used. It looks pretty cool. I only learned about it recently because I'm not in the gaming world. I learned about it from someone who was interested in game design. So if you're looking that route, you may want to fiddle with it. I heard ReadyMaker, you can take the programming into ReadyMaker and bring it into Unity, and then be able to commercialize it and sell it. Or you can't sell it from ReadyMaker, but you could sell it from Unity or something to that effect. I don't know. You can look into it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe, and that's it. Until next week.